Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to create custom ringtone on Android without apps. So to do that, there are two options you can try. So first thing, you can just head over to your voice recorder. So if you have a new voice recorder going on, you can just select one of them, and let's say we're gonna select this one. Keep tapped on it, and here you will find the option of rename. So tap on rename and set the category to add category, or you can directly name a .mp3 and tap on rename, and it will be set to a mp3 file. So now you have to go to the ringtones folder and save it up, or you can directly tap on move, and you can't just select your category from here. So what you need to do is just to head over to your files. In the files, you will find the internal storage right over there. Now go to ringtones option or the music. So let's say in the recording option, there is a voice recorder. So as you can see, each and every one is set to M4A. So we are gonna set one of them to or rename to MP3. So once you do that, this will give you a pop-up like this by change file extension. So tap on change. And just now it is changed. As you can see, it is showing different. And now you have to move it to your ringtones folder. So tap on move and select to internal storage, and then search for ringtone. Here you'll find the ringtones and tap on move here. So once you do it, I'm not currently doing it. So let's say I'm moving it in there. So tap on showing folder. It's showing me in folder. And now you can just keep tapped on it. And here you will find the option of more. And here you can set it up as a ringtone. So you have to go to your sound settings now. So I'm going to my sound settings. In the settings option. Now going to the sounds and vibration. Now in the ringtone section, head over there. Now select any ringtone you want. So here you will find the audio that you recently moved. So from there, you can just select any one of them and then just use it as a ringtone. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to comment on our video and let us know if it worked for you, and it will help us to know for further use. So yeah, and like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one.